Go to the concept of breadth of common sense knowledge. Number of atomic facts that the average person knows is very large. Okay, what it means? It means number of atomic facts that the average person knows is very large. Okay, it is very large. Research projects that attempted to build a complete knowledge base of common sense knowledge, example, requires enormous amount of laborious ontological engineering that must be built by hand, one complicated concept at a time. If you understand ontology, you are almost going to understand God, who created the complex universe. But it seems concept complex to us, but it is very simple. The basic concepts are simple. We human beings think in a different way. Otherwise, if you go and understand the basic concepts of universe, they are same and they are very simple. Here we face the challenges because we are human beings. Okay, and then we see things from our perspective, not as universe functions. So here the same thing is breadth of the common sense knowledge is like it requires enormous amount of laborious ontological engineering, or like ontological concept relationship with the other concept, this concept, that concept, this 360 relationship with the things around you, and what is there, and then making decision which is optimized based on all the things, okay, which is win-win for everyone. It is very complex, and that's why a lot of people don't believe in win-win. They always are in win-lose. So they just see there because they don't understand ontological relationship with the things around them and why they should do something which benefits the other person. They see it is not common sense. But when we care about around the environment, everything, then and only we are winning. Okay, otherwise we are losing.